Hey, Mr. Harridan here. We're going to do some chemical and physical changes. Where do you think I should go to vacation?
New Hampshire?
No, I do not want to go to New Hampshire.
My friend, don't be a jerk.
Okay, maybe I'll go to New Hampshire. Anyways, here we go. Physical changes. And you probably can't see that pen. Physical changes. So I'm going to rewrite it in a darker pen so we can actually see what I wrote down. Physical changes. Do not change the identity of the substance. Okay? It is the same old stuff. Okay? Okay, many physical changes are reversible, blah blah blah. You get the same stuff. So like for instance, melting ice, because you melt ice to go to water. That would be a physical change because it's still water. Examples, there is like bending. Piece of metal, that's still metal. Cutting. Cutting your hair, still your hair. Grinding. Dissolving. And then we have the 6-phase changes that you should know. Okay? There is melting, which is solid to liquid. There is vaporization, which is liquid to gas. There is deposition. I don't want to write deposition there. I want to write sublimation first. Sublimation is going from a solid to a gas, skipping the liquid phase. Dry ice or iodine does that. Opposite of melting is freezing. That is going from a liquid to a solid. We have condensation, which is going from a gas to a liquid. And then we have deposition, which is going from a gas to a solid. Frost would be an example of that. Okay. Most physical changes are boring. Nobody gets really excited about physical changes. Okay. But then we have chemical changes. Transform one or more substances into new different substances. They involve the reaction taking place, so we have new stuff. And new stuff gets me excited. Okay? Because this is all wonderful and cool. Okay, there are some indicators that you know whether or not a chemical change is taking place. An unexpected change in heat energy. Keyword is unexpected. Okay, something getting hotter or colder. An unexpected gas being produced. An unexpected color change. A solid precipitate. Usually you mix two aqueous solutions together and it forms a solid out of the middle of nowhere. That is a chemical reaction. An unexpected change in mass, meaning you formed a gas. There's a new odor, like I think of rotting milk for that one. It produces a new smell, so that's chemical. And light or fire being produced. Okay? All of these are awesome. Awesome! Because they are chemical. Because everybody loves chemical changes. Physical changes are usually boring. Boring. Nobody gets excited about physical changes. Okay, some examples of chemical changes. Okay. Any type of reaction. Burning stuff. Oh, everybody likes to burn stuff. It's good fun. That's a chemical change. Corrosion. Okay. Metals dissolving, that kind of thing. That's awesome. Combustion. That's a type of chemical reaction. Okay. Rotting. Wood rotting away. It's chemical. Rusting. It's just a form of corrosion. That's chemical. Tarnishing. Tarnishing is rusting that's not so permanent, like silver tarnishes, right? And neutralization, of course. Of acid or base. Those things are types of chemical reactions here. So, example 6.3. All the following processes are listed as part of the digestive breakdown of food for each of the following. Classify them as chemical or physical changes and give a reason why. Grinding food with teeth. It's still food. So this is physical. No new substance. Breakdown of proteins into amino acids. Here you are breaking bonds. This is chemical. Because amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. There's a new substance. That is awesome. That is a chemical change. Breakdown of carbohydrates into simple sugars. It's the same thing as the proteins. This is chemical. There will be a new substance. Churning of food caused by the contraction of muscles walls of the stomach. Yeah, it's no new food form there. That's physical. No new substance. Starch breaking down into simple sugars by saliva. Again, we're breaking some chemical bonds here. This is chemical. There's going to be a new substance. That is awesome. Okay. Food reacting. This says reacting. Big hint that that is a chemical change. That is a new substance. Okay? You guys are champions. The legend is out.